Daniel Padilla, live in Dubai.
Congratulations, napakagandang experience. Sa inyo dyan, thank you very much, ladies. You've been a beautiful crowd. Thank you. At sa lahat ng mga Katniels dito, maraming salamat po sa inyo. I love you very much. Sa lahat ng mga mamsis, nasan kayo?
Magandang buhay!
Magandang buhay mga Papsis. Maraming salamat. At sa mga kapatid, mga utol, thank you very much. Marigo, thank you.
Okay lang ba? Mag-groupie kami sa inyo? Nag-enjoy ba kayo, kapamilya? Tara, groupie tayo! Lahat tayo nandito para magsaya! Taas ang kamay, kapamilya sa Dubai!
Pakipatay yung spotlight muna dyan. Pakipatay ka muna ang spotlight. Inuwas out tayo dyan. Yan, thank you pare. Okay, isang malupit na grouping literal game.
Taas ang kamay, kapamilya! Yay!
One more time, request lang.
One more time, taas ang kamay!
Thank you, Dubai!
Salamat, Dubai!
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po. Have a good day, have a safe life.
Siyempre,
Enjoy
ang
life.
band natin, Six-Part Invention, Ray Cantong, musical director, vocals,
Yeah, the
guitars.
band,
Our
baby.
vocals, Kay Cantong, Tad Cantong on drums, Cookie Talo on bass. Maraming salamat, Tita Min Bernardo, Tito Dog, Gadmiel Team Ryan, Ton, Christopher, Rutil, at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng show na ito, sa mga organizers, maraming salamat. Ka-Dreamers Dubai Chapter!
Sa mga security namin, thank you.
Salamat sa Beauty, FCOSN, Western Union, Alcati, Eurocake, Kanta Ice Cream, Teriyaki Boy, Alan Gold, and Diamond. Top 91.1, Terry Bells and Bluebird. OF Community
Thank you so much.
Services, the Filipino Times, BM Express Cargo, Novotel, Aquafina, Florence Printing, and Pinoy Ward Restaurant.
Mga kapatid, huwag natin kakalimutan. Respetuhin ang isa't isa. At magharap tayo lahat. Tayo ng magtutulungan. Never forget.
We love you,
Huwag masyadong
Dubai!
mainit ang ulo, mga kapatid.
Bye!
Bye guys, thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Thank you. At ingat po kayo lagi lahat dito, ha? Thank you.
Napapagulit.
Love you all guys. Carlo, I love you, pare.
Alright, maraming salamat, Katniel, live in Dubai 2019.
Daming tao.
We would like to request everybody who has the photo op badge and bracelets, please remain seated. Everybody with the photo op badge and bracelets, please remain seated.
Si Ate Abby, hindi ko na natawagan. Hello, Ate Abby, nasa ka na? Kaya palabas na